Do you have some self-raising flour in your kitchen or in your pantry? Try out this easy and simple, flavorful, moist, light, and delicious Madeira cake recipe, which you're going to totally love because it's so delicious. I love having mine while still warm over a cup of tea, and it's always a hit. To make this delicious Madeira cake, you start off by preheating your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to line a loaf pan with parchment paper and spray the tin so that it can be easier for you to invert the cake. In a mixing bowl, you're going to be adding in softened butter or margarine, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box in the right quantity. So using my hand mixer, I'm going to whip up my margarine for around 1 to 2 minutes until it's very light. Once your margarine is light, you're going to add in your sugar and mix for another 1 minute. Then next, I'm going to be cracking in 3 eggs. So I'm going to crack separately because I want to make sure all the eggs are fresh. Then using your mixer, you're going to whip up the eggs, margarine, and sugar for around 2 minutes over high speed. In between, you're going to scrape your bowl to make sure all the ingredients are getting fully combined. Then you're going to add in some vanilla essence for that nice flavor. Scrape my bowl once more, and this is how the butter is looking like. And as you can see, the butter is looking smooth and very light. So now I'm going to grate in 1.5 teaspoons of lemon zest, and I'm going to be using 2 lemons. So I'm going to get the green part, not the white part, because once you grate the white part, the cake will turn out a little bit bitter. When done zesting your lemons, you're going to use your spatula and combine the lemon zest together with the butter. And at this point, everything smells so good. You can catch the lemon flavor and the vanilla essence, and the butter also is looking so good. Next, you're going to be adding in some self-raising flour, and I have 1.5 cups of the flour. So I'm going to add in half of the flour, use my spatula and fold in the flour. Then I'm going to add in some milk. Add in the rest of the flour and fold in until all the ingredients are fully combined. Then next, you're going to be transferring your dough into a prepped up tin. When done, you're going to be baking your cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. And to check if your cake is ready, you're going to insert a skewer in the middle of the cake. Once the skewer comes out clean, the cake is ready. This is going to be your next favorite cake recipe because the Madeira cake has turned out amazing. And I'm going to be slicing a piece just to check out how the inside is looking. Wow, the texture of the crumb is just perfect. The cake is still warm and you can catch the lemon and vanilla flavor. This is absolutely goodness. The cake is perfect over tea or coffee, or you can slice up the cake and serve over brunch with a glass of juice, and everyone is going to enjoy the cake.